Good afternoon, friends. In this lecture, we have to discuss the last topic of this semester, that is the atomic structure. Okay, in this atomic structure, we have to discuss the atomic structure. Okay, different types of the atomic structure like the carbon, hydrogen, chlorine, bromine. Okay, this is the atoms, and that atomic structure we have to discuss into this chapter. That is, we have to discuss the first point, that is the origin of the quantum mechanics. Okay, origin of quantum mechanics means actual quantum mechanics means what? What is the role of the quantum mechanics into this chemistry? That is, the classical mechanics theory of relativity describe the behavior of the large microscopic object like earth, moon, cricket ball, etc. Okay, means therefore the origin of the quantum mechanics, it is says that say the classical mechanics. Okay, your classical mechanics, it is a theory of relativity. Okay, classical mechanics means what? It is a theory of relativity, and that relativity, it is a describe the behavior of. It is relativity, it is a describe the behavior of the large microscopic object. Okay, that relativity is described as the behavior of the large microscopic object like earth, moon and cricket ball, etc. This is known as classical mechanics theory. Okay, second point, it is says that the second point, it is known about you have to know that the why the study of the quantum mechanics means this point, it is says that why you have to study into the chemistry. Okay, तुम्ही chemistry मध्ये क्वांटमचा यूज का करताय? ओके, that answer means that question, it says that why the study of quantum mechanics into the chemistry. Therefore its answer is about it is a branch of science. You have to know about the quantum mechanics. It is a branch of science, and that branch of science with the atomic and the molecular property. Okay, it is a branch of science with the atomic and the molecular property and the behavior of the matter on microscopic scale. Behavior of the matter on microscopic scale, it is known as the quantum mechanics. Okay, it is known as quantum mechanics means that point, it says that it is a branch of science. Okay, quantum mechanics, it is a branch of science, and that deals with the atomic and the molecular property. Means that quantum mechanics, it is a branch of science, it is a deals with the atomic and the molecular property. Atomic and molecular property बरोबर एक प्रकारची काय असते? डील असते. and it is behavior of the matter. Okay, its behavior of the matter on microscopic scale means small scale. You have to molecular property and the atomic property you have to apply on the microscopic matter. Okay, so this is all about the first point in the why the study of quantum mechanics. Okay, second point is says that in the physical chemistry, the quantum mechanics used for the calculate the property of the transition state in the chemical reaction in estimation of rate constant. Okay, means that point, it is says that in physical chemistry, the quantum mechanics used for calculate the property of transition state. Means therefore in physical chemistry you have to use the quantum mechanics, and that quantum mechanics, it is useful for calculate the property of transition state in the chemical reaction. Means in your chemical reaction, therefore different types of the transition state, and that transition state you have to calculate by the quantum mechanics. Okay, and therefore in estimation of the rate constant, and it is also used in the estimation of the rate constant, you have to use the quantum mechanics. Okay, so therefore this is the quantum mechanics, it is used in the physical chemistry. Second point, it says that in organic chemistry, the quantum mechanics used for estimate the relative stability of the molecules. Okay, means in organic chemistry you have to quantum mechanics you have to use in them. Therefore it is useful for estimate the relative stability of the molecules. Means the molecules relative stability you have to estimate by the quantum mechanics in the organic chemistry. Okay, this is the second point in this why to study of the quantum mechanics. Then the third point is says that in inorganic chemistry use the quantum mechanics for study property, structure, symmetry of the inorganic compound. Okay, means that the next point it is says that in inorganic chemistry you have to use the quantum mechanics, and that quantum mechanics you are to useful for the study property, you are to useful for study of properties, structure, study of properties, structure, symmetry of inorganic compound, symmetry of inorganic compound means that component you are to prepared by the quantum mechanics in inorganic chemistry. Okay, means that study you have to determine in inorganic chemistry use the quantum mechanics. Okay, this point it is very simply it is says that in inorganic chemistry use the quantum mechanics, and that quantum mechanics useful for the study property, structure, symmetry of the inorganic compound. It is known as the quantum mechanics. Okay, and there are some reason you have to use the quantum mechanics in chemistry. First reason is says that the electronic revolution is quantum resolution. Okay, the electron revolution is quantum revolution means this is the electron revolution. Look at this, this is the electron revolution. Okay, this is electron revolution. Okay, this is the electronic revolution. Okay, means that point it is says that this electronic revolution is a quantum revolution. Okay, this electronic revolution is a quantum revolution. Okay, second reason is says that it is useful for the physical structure of the world. Okay, world's physical structure you have to determine them, you have to use the quantum mechanics. Okay, third is it has the application of the thermodynamic. Okay, means that quantum mechanics you have to use for the application of the thermodynamic. It is a third reason. Fourth reason it says that it is allowed to develop the photovoltaic cell. Okay, you have to know about the photovoltaic cell, and that photovoltaic cell you have to develop and allow them. It is useful for the quantum mechanics means your quantum mechanics it is useful to allow to develop the photovoltaic cell, and this is the reason, and therefore this is the answer of this point, that is a why to study of the quantum mechanics. Okay, therefore this 2 point it is over. Next time we have to discuss the another point, that is of the black body radiation, that is of the black body radiation. Okay, therefore this point we have to discuss in next lecture. Thank you.